This video shows how to use our innovative job cart feature. So, what is our job cart? Well, it's a slick feature that lets you apply for up to 10 jobs in one go. Simply click the cart icon on the jobs you wish to apply for and hit apply with your chosen CV. This makes your job application a whole lot quicker and easier. You simply search for your job. Look out for the job cart icon. Click to add the job to your cart. Click your job cart. Check and click apply now. Here you can upload and select your most relevant CV and cover letter, include any supporting documents, and tell the hiring organisation how you'd prefer to be contacted. Then finally, click apply and you're all set.